Ready to elevate your photography game with the power of AI? From simplifying your editing process to safeguarding your precious images, we've got some amazing tools that will take your photography to the next level. Number 1. Imagine AI. This tool is a game changer for those of us who spend hours editing photos. Imagine AI is designed to speed up your photo editing workflow by learning your specific editing style. Once you upload a set of images and let Imagine AI analyze them, it creates a custom profile that mimics your style. After setting up your profile, you can apply your unique editing style to entire batches of photos with just a few clicks. This is incredibly useful when working with large volumes of images, as it saves you from manually editing each photo. Imagine AI integrates seamlessly with Lightroom, allowing you to process your images quickly while maintaining your personal touch. Number 2. Aftershoot. Culling through a gallery manually is a tedious task. This process can extend a 2-hour editing session to 5 or 6 hours, or even longer, due to extensive culling in editing. Aftershoot simplifies this by efficiently reducing a large number of photos, such as 700, to just 40 usable images for clients. Here's a quick overview of Aftershoot's capabilities. Aftershoot now includes Aftershoot Edits, which utilizes AI to learn your editing style and can edit full galleries of up to 3,000 photos autonomously. To demonstrate, a new culling process can be started with a recent shoot, importing 663 images. By selecting either a customized or automated AI cull, preferences like blurry photo detection and closed-eye filtering can be set. The AI culls 663 photos in just over 5 minutes, leaving 336 photos. Using spray can mode, the final 37 photos can be quickly selected and exported to Lightroom Classic for editing. This process saves significant time and streamlines editing. Number 3. Photoshop Generative Fill. Recently, you might have come across buzz on social media about Photoshop's new Generative Fill feature, which is currently available in the beta version of Photoshop. For those with a Photoshop subscription, you can access this tool via the Creative Cloud app by downloading Photoshop Beta. Generative Fill is a cutting-edge feature that allows for significant image alterations. It operates similarly to ChatGPT, processing user commands to generate or modify image content. This tool is adept at removing unwanted elements from photos. For instance, if you select an object and input remove, it will effectively erase it from the image. Conversely, you can enhance your image by adding new elements. Simply type instructions like add a painting to insert a desired object into your photo. Overall, Generative Fill streamlines the editing process, making it an invaluable asset for photographers and anyone looking to improve their image editing capabilities. Number 4. Pixie. Protecting your photos is crucial, especially if you've encountered a situation where a major brand used your image without permission. This can lead to serious legal issues, including potential lawsuits from the model, her agency, and your business, especially if no model release was signed. To monitor and address unauthorized use of your images, consider using Pixie. This software is designed to track where your photos appear online and offers a free plan with an option to upgrade. You can import images from your computer, Instagram, or Flickr into Pixie. The software will then scan the web and notify you of any matches where your photos are found. If you find unauthorized use, Pixie allows you to request a takedown or file a case with their legal team. Pixie will attempt to secure compensation for you and take a percentage of any recovered funds. If no compensation is recovered, you don't incur any costs. Number 5. ChatGPT. It assists with various tasks such as planning photo shoots, crafting email pitches, and generating templates. For example, it can help write a pitch email to a motorcycle brand, showcasing skilled riders and their bikes. Additionally, it provides creative photography ideas, like props for an 80s-themed portrait session, including Rubik's Cubes and boomboxes, or outfit suggestions for the same theme. Beyond these applications, ChatGPT can help you brainstorm unique angles and concepts for your shoots, ensuring your work stands out. It's a powerful and versatile tool that can streamline your photography workflow and inspire your creativity. Plus, it's free to use, making it an invaluable resource for both amateur and professional photographers. With these powerful AI tools, you can elevate your photography and protect your images with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. A big thank you to Aftershoot for sponsoring. See you in the next one.